There are wolves lying in the dark, and so she rises up like a butterfly. She's still spinning in a scarlet dress, and though the music stops and though the echoes die, she carries unknown things inside her, like old volumes they will never read without her. And as the moves get in their heads, they know that they don't know something without her. There were wolves. There were wolves. There are wolves hiding in the woods, and they can smell the blood on the summer air. And they run beneath a million stars and in a million taxis, and they're going where?